Hi, good morning. Today we do the unboxing that I bought from Lazada. Is is like to trim in your leg to make it like a pedicure, for example, like that. So I bought this. So I will do and open it. So okay, ta-da! We buy this trimming for the leg. Okay, so this. Okay, so like that we can use from this. Okay, so like this we do. Okay, so it's a two different roller. So the customize your result, and then with and dry use, and then we can use for for rotate running 30 degrees wide angle. Okay, so it's very good. Now I bought it this one because of my color is a bit more worse. So like this. Okay, so like this. Okay, chargeable. You have the roller, and then you have the roller of this. Okay, look at that. Okay, and then okay, we open it. Open. So look like this. Okay, so it can be like this, and then I can open the cover of this, and then this is the one a bit sharp, no? A bit sharp. A bit sharp, I mean a bit rough when you use it, and then it's a chargeable. Okay, so it's good. It's good, and then I buy this one because I need to use for my leg, because I already sometimes it's really good. Okay, so we buy this, and then she have an extra roller for that, an extra roller. So I want to try to how to take out all this. Okay, so okay, can press like that. Okay, can take out easy. Okay, just press back. Oh, okay, I scared to press back. Just like that, press out. Okay, so very easy. I want to use for my leg. Okay, so just press like that, take out. Okay, we try this to put it in. Okay, so this two is quite really different. This one is a bit smaller. Oops. Smaller, and this one is a bit rough, too rough. Look at that. Okay, so a bit rough. And then yes, okay, oh, okay, this one is really, if your color is very thick, then you can, this one is quite big, it's really rough. This one a bit soft. Okay, so a bit soft, it's slightly different. And then she have a brush, and it have a brush. Example, you want to brush the things, you want to clean, and the charger and the cord. Okay, so it's USB cord. The only one thing is don't have for that, you have to provide your own self, like for the thing. Then we try to on whether they can on. We try for this. Okay, so a bit longer. Look at that. Okay, so we on this. Okay, we on this one. Okay, we on this one. We try. We off the light a bit, and then we use the cord because they never put the thing. If you don't tap, then you have to use your handphone chargers, that one. Okay, so just plug it in. Okay, you can plug it inside here, the behind. Be careful because they have a lid, you know, there is a lid here. Okay, so you have to follow. Okay, so already, so we try and press already. It's not charging yet. It's only 20. So we try. Oh, it's on, huh? So we try. Later I'll try it for myself. Okay, so we put it back because I need to put my thicker one because my leg callus is already very thick, so I use that one. So I will put in the description below is how much this one. I forget how much. I need to check in my Lazada account. Okay, so how much I bought this. Okay, so I will check and I will press at the description below how much it is, the cost of this I bought for my callus, and then we will find how much. Okay, I will put in the description below, and then I will put the screenshot for this item that I bought today. So I hope it works. Also for charging. Okay, so we will check now how much is it, the thing. Okay, is about, because the other day before I ordered, I saw it was sale. Okay, he have a sale promotion, so I saw this. So my leg callus is already very bad, you know, it's very big, the crack behind my knees. Then it's not really nice to see if someone, you know, example like that. So I try my best to buy all these things because it's advisable, that which is my friend says that you bought from that because it will scratch your back and then they will good. Okay, so I will show how much it is. How much I'm checking the thing is how much the cost of this I bought because I really forget, so I couldn't remember. So 47 shipping fee 4 ringgit, so 47, so not bad. Okay, 47. And then okay, yes, 47, it is 47. I check how much the original price. Okay, so I will check how much is 47. Is the original price is 159.69%. It is 69%. Okay, so is okay, 69% in Lazada. This we call it electric callus remover, foot grinder, peeling callus, USB charging fit pedicure machine, digital display foot care, or tall electric pedicure device. So it's really good. And then I will see also at the reviews. So that's why I bought this. Look at that. For my thumbnail, check. Say okay, so already get it. So later we use in my callus, which is really, you know, I want to show to you guys another videos for this how I use, how effective in my callus, because my leg already cracked a lot, so I have to use this, you know. So the actually is this one is the service about. Okay, wait, I want to check how it is, because they have a voucher also. So you press the voucher. So 159 ringgit the original price, but only one thing is 69% in Lazada. So I got it, I bought only 47 ringgit, but now already few days ago 49 back again. So but the time I bought is only 47 ringgit. 47 ringgit because I did paid with Lazada wallet. So is really less price, about 47, then 100 plus 59, so it's quite expensive for that. So I will try my best. That's why thank you so much. We see you soon. This one I'm charging this about 60% already. So today this is my videos that I already show you guys, that I have I do the unboxing for my device grinder for the for the leg. Okay, so I will show you how it is effective. So don't worry, I will put you the description below, and then you can press and buy from there, easy for you. Now already 49, the other day I bought it is 47 ringgit only. So what the original price is 159 ringgit. So thank you so much, guys. See you soon. I will use this. I will charge first, and later I will use, and then I will show you how effective it is. I will make a video also how I use, because this is the first time I'm using about these kind of devices. Okay, thank you so much. See you for the next videos. Bye.